So hey everyone, in this video we're going to see how to create a bootable drive of Windows from your Linux terminal. This video is going to be helpful for a lot of people, so without any further ado, let's get started. I have opened up the terminal of my Linux machine. So I'm running Cashew OS, which is an Arch based OS. So we can just verify it by running neofetch. And there we go. I'm running Cashew OS. So the next thing is we need to download the official ISO of Windows. So we can get that from Microsoft's official site with just a few clicks. And once we have that, we are ready to proceed with our USB creation. We just need a USB drive with at least 16 gigs of free space, and we're gonna format the drive. So please make sure if you have any important stuff in that, you have to take a backup of that. So I have a 32 gig USB drive, and we're gonna use this to create the bootable Windows drive. And once we plugged in, we can check whether the USB is showing. And there we go. It's mounted on /dev/sdb1, and I have already formatted the drive, but for the sake of this video we're gonna do it again. So the first thing is we need a utility called as woeusb. So we can get that from our package manager. Since I'm using Arch, I'm going to use pacman. If you use Ubuntu or Debian, you can use apt, or if you use Fedora or something like that, you can use DNF or any package manager which your distribution supports. So we're gonna download woeusb. So I'm gonna type my password and we're gonna install woeusb. So once woeusb is downloaded, we need to locate our ISO file. So I have it on my documents folder. So if we go here, we can see it right over here. So I'm gonna just rename this into a simple file name so that it would be easy for me to just enter it while creating the USB. So I'm gonna do it by just using the mv command, and I'm gonna rename it as win11.iso. There we go, we're done. If we type ls, we can see that the file is renamed to win11.iso. We're gonna type sudo woeusb --device, and from here what we're gonna do is we're gonna parse win11.iso and then leave a space, type /dev/sdb. So my device is mounted on SDB. So if you have any other paths, please make sure that you enter the right path, because this command is going to be formatting the entire drive, so every data in it will be lost permanently. You cannot recover it. So make sure that you have taken backup or you have already formatted it once. So with that in mind, we can just hit enter and it's going to do its work. We just need to wait for our system to create the bootable USB. So as we can see, we have created the Windows USB. It took me around 30 minutes to create the USB, and with that we can install Windows on any device. So that is how you create a Windows bootable USB on Linux. Give a like, share and subscribe to Tech Fortitude, and I'll see you guys in my next video.